Everybody has seen that I was not involved in NDDC contract. They've done it before 1 year. But I couldn't reply the most important one when I was away. And that is, in this very our country, Mr. President of Nigeria attempting, is it the 9th or 10th wonder, to build a naval base in the desert. I don't know, so perhaps I was away, whether they've manufactured vessels that can go through desert, I don't know. So I thought I should add my voice as usual. Nobody can calm me down. As I stated in that note, I'll continue to write open letters to Mr. President, even though he doesn't look at them, until he changes. If he doesn't change, until he pleases the Almighty God to take me home. But some of you, the younger one will stand up and fight for their right. So the purpose of this meeting this morning is to express my views about the impossibility trying to be made possible.
President, for IOCs to move to the basis of oppression.
Yes.
Clearly, one of the things that kept being reported was that security. They lack security. We would have thought that a naval base in that area would have provided the security that they needed. But here we are taking the naval base to Kano. And we talk about it being only a training institution. Surely training goes with practicals.
Exactly.
So where are the boats that you are going to have practicals on?
Exactly.
If you had this base in the area where there's water, you would have had the naval boats there, and the practicals would have been carried out easily. I think we should allow logic rather than sentiments to direct us in the operation of this country. I'll give you one simple example. In the days of Abuja, my firm was commissioned to design the staff housing for the Ports Authority in Abuja. And I asked, why is Ports Authority moving from Lagos to Abuja? Much as I needed the job, because I needed the money, I rejected that commission because I did not see the logic for Ports Authority moving from Lagos to Abuja. I think we should apply just simple logic, common sense, so that things will go in a manner of justice and equitability. Otherwise, honestly, we cannot claim to be running a country. That's what I want to contribute to this conference.
Thank you very much. Even NPA, there are some northerners who want NPA to be brought to Abuja. So what type of country do we belong to? As I said, I will continue to be writing open and other letters to Mr. President, whether he likes it or not, until he changes his attitude. And if he does not change, I'm 94, going to 95. When I'm gone, it pleases God to call me home. There will be other Niger Deltas who will take over from me. Nobody can cow us. We are not second-class citizens of anybody. Could you imagine the situation where one Ahmed was talking rubbish this morning, that the northerner must be president of Nigeria? Therefore, whatever the southern governor said, they were just wasting their time. He was talking about majority. Majority to eat whose money? To depend on whose economical resources. This country, as I've always said, belongs to all of us. There's no section in this country that can exist without the others. We all have to work together. You have the population, I have the resources. I cannot use my resources without population. You can't use your population without resources. Could you imagine? There's a young man who was chief of was chief of army staff. For 4 years, they wouldn't leave office. Was busy building a university in Biu. I've been to Biu. That's Ibrahim Damchida's home. I've slept there. When I was a member of Shagari's presidential campaign team. Please come on. Let us create a country where everybody will be equal. Where everybody will be entitled to move and occupy whatever position he can occupy. They're talking of nonsense, federal character. A federal character commission where you have a northerner as chairman, a northerner as its secretary. Then you have even desecrated what is called federal character. I don't want to talk more. I think my paper is explicit enough. So once again, thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. This too, the soundbite.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.